A much more significant aspect, and the second aspect associated with soil, is going to be associated with the classification and distribution of the soils. Now this classification distribution that is going to be picked up, that is a ICAR's classification. As per this classification, one of these soils is going to be alluvial soil. Alluvial soil covers 24% of the land surface, and such soils are going to be found in the parts of Rajasthan, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha, Assam, Narmada, Tapti Valley region, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Brahmaputra, and the Surma valleys, essentially in all the river valleys and all the plains. They have many characteristics. For example, there are going to be two types of alluvial soil. Newer alluvium, that is called as khadar. It is sandy and occurs near riverbed. And the older alluvium, which is called as bhangar, is clayey, darker in color, and occupies the interstream areas. The composition of alluvial soil is sandy loam to silted to clay in nature. Its color generally varies. For example, it generally is going to be grey, light, brown, or yellowish. Its profile, that means its vertical differentiation all the way from top to the bottom. There are no marked layers that are going to be found in the alluvial soil, and that is the most important characteristic of the alluvial soil. Now, why exactly this doesn't go to happen as with all the soils is because these soils have been transported somewhere else to somewhere else. It's not that these soils have found right in the place where they are found. They have been transported from some other region to this place. These soils and all of these soils which going to be getting transported, they generally don't going to be having a horizon differentiation. That means they are not divided into different layers. So profile doesn't going to show any marked differentiation. Then that is, these soils are going to be rich in potash but poor in phosphorus. When we're going to say that they are going to be rich in potash and poor in phosphorus, that means that is going to be the requirement, the nutrient requirement of these soils. And if you can go to have a linkage of it, it was this type of a potassium deficiency that was supplemented in Indian soils by the potassic fertilizers and phosphoric fertilizer that was imported by Morocco some time back. And Moroccan government have been very helpful to India in this case. And to a large extent, they have been contributing to India's effort to increase its agriculture production. They're going to take pride in this factor also. Who knows it better than me? Then these soils are deficient in nitrogen and humus. And that's the basic reason that nitrogenous fertilizers are also going to be required. Humus content is low largely because they don't going to be having so much amount of vegetation over the surface. But these soils are very, very good in terms of mineral matter. The mineral matter is going to be thoroughly mixed up in these type of soils. That's going to be one. Second soil is black cotton soil. Black cotton soil is going to be found over Deccan lava, gneisses and granites in western Madhya Pradesh, whole of Maharashtra, southern Odisha, south coastal Andhra Pradesh, North Karnataka, particularly where covered with black soil, parts of Rajasthan, Bundi and Tonk region particularly. Now this is very, very significant. Very, very significant. And another significant part is that in Uttar Pradesh it is also going to be found. Can you guess it where? Bundelkhand region. That is where it is going to be found. And of course, central and south Tamil Nadu. Now all these regions in some way or the other have a basaltic component of rocks. The general characteristic is that these soils are going to be having a deep black to chestnut black because of the presence of titanic ferrous magnetite and compounds of iron and aluminium, which also going to be comprising of accumulated humus and colloids, hydrated double iron and aluminium silicates. Now, they may going to be sounding it technical, but you must going to assume that generally they are going to be rich in terms of iron and magnetite. That's what iron and magnesium. That is what we are going to be rich in terms of. Compositionally, they are going to be sandy. Sandy, that means they are not clay compositionally. Shallow and poor in fertility on the uplands. On the uplands, they are sandy. And the moment you're going to be coming deeper into the valleys, they're going to become clay in nature, they are argillaceous in nature. That means on the uplands and in the lowlands, the soils go on to be completely different. And that can be a type of a question. That is an exceptional characteristic of this soil. It is this soil that is going to be sticky when it is going to be wet.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more such updates. Like and share the video and let us know your queries in the comment section below.